Lesson 10. Comparing tenths and hundreds. 24 over 100, 0.6. Here I will convert the fraction into decimal to be 0.24. Here in 0.6, can I leave it like this? Of course no. I have here two chairs. Balance B before compare. And this is 0.6, so I will add 0. Okay, to be half, two chairs after the decimal point. So which is greater? Of course 0.60 is greater. Here 6 over 10, which is equal 0.6. And this is 0.34. Can I leave it like this? Of course no. I will balance first 0.60 and 0.34. Of course 0.60 is greater. 1.4, 98 tenths. 98 tenths. 980. I will times by 10. Okay. 98 tenths, it means that 8 over 10 to be 9.8. 9.8, can I leave it like this? And I have here 1.04. Can I leave it like this? Of course no. I will add here 0 to balance this first 1 and 9, so I will pick of course this one. 134 over 100. Here this number will be 1.34 and this 1.3, so 1.34 is greater. Here 0.9, 0.89, which is greater. I have to balance it first. This becomes 0.90, so this is greater. 7 tenths, it means 7 over 10, which is equal 0.7. 0.7 and 0.7, of course they are equal. 2.07, 2 ones and 7 tenths. 2 ones, yani 2.7. And 2.07, can I leave it like this? Of course no. I will balance. 2.70, of course the greater. 50 over 100, it's equal 0.50. And 5, of course 5 whole number, it's greater than. 0.23 and 23 over 10, it means 2.3. Okay, 2.3, which is greater. Can I leave it like this? Of course no. I have to balance it first. So 2.30 greater. 0.42, 4 over 10, which is equal 0.4. I will not leave it like this. I will balance it first. It will be 0.40, which is greater, of course, 0.42. Turn the page to page 100 and 100. Here I have an Adam is plotting what he passes on the way to school on the number line. Number the line in tenths using fractions above the line, decimals below. Then plot the following on the number line. I have first what? Omer's house, 3 over 10. Here, Adam's house, the first number is 1 over 10, 2 over 10, okay, 2 over 10 here, 3 over 10, 4 over 10, 5 over 10, 6 over 10, 7 over 10, 8, 9. Till I reach to the end, the school. The first thing he tell me that Omer's house 3 over 10 kilometer. Here 0.3, which is Omer's house. And corner store 0.8. Here 8 over 10, 0.8. Here the corner store. In the street light, I have 1 over 10. Here is 0.1, which is the street light. Sarah's house, 0.6. Here it's 0.6. 6 over 10, Sarah's house. A brown house, it's in the 0.3. Here at Omer house, brown house. A coffee shop 0.7. Yellow house 6/10. هنا yellow house 6/10. A park here at the end. Here is the park. Okay, let's answer this question. Which is further from Adam's house? Sarah's house or Omar's house? Here I have Adam's house. Whose is further? Omar in 0.3 and Sarah in 0.6. So which is further? I will say Sarah's house. The second question, when Adam is walking to school, does he passes the coffee shop or the corner store first? Let's see. Here, I want to coffee shop or corner store. Which is first? The coffee shop is where? The coffee shop here, and the corner store is here. So he passes on what? The coffee shop is 7/10, and the corner's house 8/10. So he passes first on the coffee shop. Who lives in the brown house? Of course, we will go in the brown house. I find it Omar lives here. Omar lives in brown house. Here, who lives in the yellow house? The yellow house, I find it that Sarah lives in it. How far is the street light from Omar's house? Here, this is the street light, and here is Omar's house. I will count 1, 2. Here's 2/10, which is equal 0.2.